Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me right now. I want to go straight to the point. I want to show you how to add multiple channels, how to add another channel, whether 1, 2, 20, up to 50 channel to a single account. That's what I'm going to show you today. On my previous videos, I've made a video on how to make money online through FX. Everything about FX forex is explained there. So if you want to know how it works, go to the description below. The link is there. I've also made a video on how to open a foreign account, and it's very self-explanatory. When you watch the video, the link is also in the description below, so you just get there. So let's get started.
Okay, now open your browser. I'm using Chrome. I click on Chrome, it opens. Then you can put in m.youtube.com or www.youtube.com to open the YouTube site.
So you now click on those three dots at the top right corner and scroll down, go to desktop site and tick. Click on that desktop site. It will open full site of YouTube in your phone. So you're gonna wait. So you're gonna still click on the circle, that my account logo, then go down, click on settings. We click on settings. This is what appear. Click on manage or create new channel. Manage or create channel. Now it will open like this. Then you go over to click on create channel to create a new channel. Next thing is to type your name or the name of the channel. In this case, I'm going to use Idaratek. So take your time. Before you do this, you must have known the essence of your channel, why you want to create the channel, and the name.
Remember, there is a box, a small box beneath. Tick on it, then click on create. Okay, now look at those three dots. Let me say three dots by the top right, the same place you went to change to desktop site. You are going to go back there right now. All right, click yes, scroll down, click desktop, tick on desktop site. It's gonna take you back to desktop site. This particular stage is very important. If you don't do this, you cannot use your phone to create a new channel. So remember, I'm using Chrome for this. You can also use Chrome, and then you can also do this using your laptop easily. Okay, now here comes my new channel embedded into my previous account. I have different channels, so now I have up to, this is making up 3 channels in one account. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch other of my video. The link are in the description. Bye.